Everyone, welcome to Porto, the most beautiful city in Portugal. It is city there are many things you can do. First, you can visit the cathedral, which very old and very beautiful. You can walk in the historic center and take a lot of pictures. There are also many eyes where you can go shopping and buy souvenirs. Then you can take a boat to on Dour River. It is amazing and relaxing. You can see the six breathing during the tour. Porto is amazing city.
What people can see and eat. Thank you. Yes, Porto is wonderful. There are many things you can see in the city. There is the Lelo Box Store, which is very famous and very beautiful. There are also many colorful houses near the Ribeira Pier, next to the river. In Porto, you can eat delicious food. There are many restaurants where you can try French's, a very famous dish. You can also drink port wine, which is sweet and very popular around the world. There are coffee where you can enjoy a coffee with a nice view, and many shops where you can buy local products like wine, chocolates, and crafts.